Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh, and behind me is the 2022 Harris 250 Cruiser that I have the pleasure of showing you guys today. Now, it is a tri-tune, so you'll have great maneuverability on the water and also just great performance. Taking a look at the exterior, you have this beautiful sterling gray. It looks great with the interior and the flooring. You have these stainless steel docking lights up front. You will have stainless steel cleats around the entire boat that pop up like that. Work very nicely. As we move back here, you can see all the styling. You'll have this big bimini top attached to the boat that does open up and give you lots of shade in the sunshine, so which is great. Moving towards the back here, you have this safety railing, which is great, which means you have the extended platform back here. When you have the extended platform, you can get the safety railings here, which is great because it allows people to sit back in these seats while the boat's moving. As we move back here, this boat is going to have the 200 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke outboard on it. Great efficiency and great power for this 25-foot boat. You can do your tubing, your skiing, your wakeboarding if you want to, because you do have this nice big ski tow bar here with the hookup point on top, which keeps the rope above the outboard so it won't be tangled up in the prop, which is great. As we move to the other side here, I want to point out this stainless steel ladder here that makes it easy to board, and also, you know, if you jump into the water, you can do that, but also if you want to just dip down nice and slowly in the water, you can easily use these big steps here to get into the water as well. So that's the exterior, guys. Now let's take a peek at the interior. Welcome to the interior of the Harris 250 Cruiser. We're starting off in the back, and you're gonna have this great space to lay out, enjoy the sun. And when you're moving, when the boat's underway, you can also be back there, again, because of this safety railing, which is really cool. Now you will have lots of storage underneath this seat. And underneath the seat over there, you're gonna have a nice integrated cooler, which is great. You can pull the plug, and when the ice melts, the water can drain out. You'll have two speakers back here as well to get that audio experience. Now this is the SLDH layout, so you'll have that you'll have a dual captain chair, so you'll have one here and one over there. This seat here also has different positions that it can swivel in, just like so there. And it can lift up and go into that position as well, and all the way back. So gives you some versatility. Now in the interior here, you have a very nice layout with seating here. Your co-captain chair right here, which is great. It does swivel too. You'll have a couple stainless steel cup holders, and you'll just have a really great space in this 250. Allows you to have all your family members, friends, and just you're gonna feel comfortable. As we move up, we'll go into the bow, and then we'll end at the helm. Moving up to the bow, you have this great space with USBs on each side and cup holders. You have this portable cup holder that you can move around the entire boat if you like, but you'll notice just the enormous amount of space you have up here to accommodate lots of people on each side and not feel cramped, which is great. You have a door that you can open up to walk out the front if you maybe beach the boat, but it's just a great space. Now moving towards the helm, up on this little pad here, little storage tray, you'll have a wireless phone charger. You'll have 12-volt USB auxiliary port, stainless steel cup holder. You will have underneath here some more storage, because underneath all these seats too has storage. Okay, so at the helm here, the actual helm chair has flip-up armrests. Makes it easy to get in and out of the seat. Now, you have a nice premium steering wheel here. You have your JL Audio head unit to control your sound system, so you can hook up via Bluetooth if you'd like. It's super easy and convenient. That's how most people hook up to the audio system nowadays. Over here on your actual dash, you have your two traditional gauges, and you will have your Lowrance hook fish finder with depths. You'll have your physical toggle switches down over here, and then your actual throttle here, your digital throttle, which is great, makes it easy to shift. Super smooth too, which is cool. But guys, this is the Harris 250 Cruiser. It's here at the MarineMax Rogers location. I encourage you to come stop in or give us a call. We're happy to help and answer any questions that you do have. Other than that, have a great rest of your day and take care.